Good evening. This is Pastor Barbara, aka Preacher with Parrots. This is Sunday evening, May 24th, 2015, and this is, I think, what you call pre-church fellowship. We have Larry, Praise, Bud, Did It, Granny here. I was going to say a bit early. It's actually 4 minutes after the time we usually start. We decided we'd bring the big birds upstairs before our program. This will only be a few minutes. Enjoy. This is what it's like. Sometimes. We don't always have the big ones up here. Uh-oh. Listen, Sam, I don't want you to eat peanuts. Lillian, let me get the dog out of here. Come on, Lillian. Peanut shells are not good for you. Come on. Lillian, move it. Come on. Hurry up. I forgot he was out. Let me get more peanuts. Peanuts are fun for them because they take this isn't what they normally eat. Let's see, I didn't give the big guy any water. Captain, you want water? Come on. Come up and get water. Want water? Water. It's good. You need it. You've had a bunch of peanuts. You want water? They got fed this morning. They got, it wasn't all that long ago they got water and everything, so they don't really need any. And I don't give them salted peanuts. They get raw or roasted. Yeah. And I tried to find some of their toys. It was kind of the last minute thing this morning that I decided they'd come up tonight. And I didn't find any of the I really didn't have time. There, you want another peanut? Here's another peanut. No? Okay. You want to do this, or you just want to eat peanuts? Come on up here. You want to do this? Take it off for mommy. I know. It's just 3 of them instead of 5. Come on. 1, 2, 3. That's all we got. I couldn't find the rest, but you did a good job. You're a very good boy. Yes, you did a very good job. Let me put you right in here too. Yeah. It's another peanut. You want to get over there? Are you going to eat peanuts? Okay. While they're doing that, let me get the little ones out. You guys won't believe what happened. I had company, and I was in the other room. The lovebirds were out, and the lovebirds will chase the cockatiels. Even though the cockatiels are bigger, the lovebirds will still chase them. So I put all the cockatiels, the bigger cockatiels, in the cage. But of course the baby's nest is on the floor. And I had company and I was showing her something in another room, and I came out and the lovebirds, the 3 lovebirds were in the nest with the 3 baby cockatiels. It's bad enough that little one, the Chihuahua, wants to play with the babies. And if he barks at the door and they don't come out of the nest and play with him, he gets upset and he barks till they come out. So this is quite a crazy household, but let me get the little guys. Come on, guys. These are the 3 babies. The oldest is oops. They're falling and I can't grab them. This is the oldest, he's falling. He's 3 weeks today and he is Cinnamon. Apparently he's going to have a cinnamon back and a beige tummy. Get your wing out here, baby. Show everybody what a big wing you have. And you're only 3 weeks old. And he's got his little orange patch already. She. Yeah, you're looking at me. What are you looking at me like that for, huh? You can see the little orange patch and the yellow. This one was the second born. It is not the biggest. This one is the second born. It's going to be a white face. There is no orange ear cover and no yellow, I don't think, on the face. And here is the youngest one. It was 2 weeks old yesterday. Come here, you got something on your foot. There you go. This is the baby. This is Butterfinger Butternut. Yeah. 2 weeks old tomorrow, or 2 weeks old yesterday. Yeah. And I have no predictions on this one. Wait a minute. This is the white face. This is the white face. And this is the baby. This one has white fuzz on it. This one still has a little fuzz and it's yellow. This is a little one. This is the one that will be the one that was 2 weeks yesterday. Yeah, and I have no clue. I see a little bit of yellow in the top, but I have no clue. Let me look. Yeah, I do have a clue now. It's going to be a girl. See the tail? The 2 end feathers are yellow. You're going to be a little girl, Butternut. You're going to be a little girl. Or you are a little girl. Okay. Let me take your babies back. It takes, I really need 3 hands. But this one is going to be beige instead of gray. Yeah, you are, you pretty little girl. These are some of the things we do sometimes before we start the program. And I'm going to turn the video off. Would you like to go and say hi to would you like to greet some of the people that came to Bible study? This is Kiki. She's in her 30s, about 35. I got her on January 1st, 2002, coming back from where I had spent New Year's Eve, and the phone rang. And this one does not have tail feathers because she's nervous. And you wouldn't know she's nervous because she's so gentle with me. But when she preens her feathers, she gets nervous. And when she does this, she breaks them. And so occasionally she has tail feathers, but usually not. Are we all done? Can I put you down? One thing that she does is she kind of mouths, like she wants to say what I'm saying, but nothing comes out, so it's kind of like a mouthing thing. Watch her. Hi, are you a good girl? Yeah, I'm a good girl. Girl. Are you a good girl? She's a sweetheart. Okay, let me get Captain. Well, let me put you right there. Can you sit on the chair here? You sit on the chair and let me get Captain. Captain, where are you? I don't see you, babe. Come on here. Come on. Okay, this is Captain. Captain's 20 years old. Yes. Yes, he is. He's a good boy. He doesn't give as many demonstrations and things like that as he used to. He's forgotten a few of our routines. We had a routine where I sing. What is it we sing? Ooh. It's Oh, What a Beautiful Morning. And he sings Only What a. Are we ready? Okay. Oh, beautiful morning. Oh, beautiful day. Oh, beautiful feeling. Everything's going my way. What else do we do, huh? What other routines do we have? He used to be quite good at math, but after I was, not, let's put it this way, after cancer, when I wasn't as active as I was for a couple of years, we didn't do stuff, and his math is kind of going down south. 1, 2, we're going to get to F-I-V-E. He loves that word. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What happened to your math? Huh? No more math. He used to, if I was paying somebody and counting out. One day he was with me when we ran over something and fractured a tire. And I had to pay the man to put the fare on. And I was counting out 1, 2, and he was counting out all the money. We don't do that anymore. Our math is going downhill, right, huh? Our math is going downhill. Okay, you know what? I have to close the video and take you guys downstairs because we're going to do our Bible study. Yay! We're going to be in chapter 27 of the book of Acts. Yay! Okay, you go over here and let me close the video. This is just our fooling around when we get started sometimes. Okay, YouTube, till the next video. Bye-bye.